I jacked those swatches from Alyssa Edwards just because I thought they were so cool. Anyway, but welcome to my channel. I'm Kesha, and if you're new to my page, hey, welcome to the family. Today I'm reviewing something pretty cool, right? And it is the Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills collaboration. Now, the reason why this is so exciting is because Jackie Aina is like a cult icon of like Black YouTube, and she's inspired so many people, and not just people, women of color anymore. Like, she's fully just universal. She's so great because she just says it how it is. She gives you like real tea. So like, she'll say if she doesn't like something, even if it's brands that she works with, and she's just a really cool YouTuber. When someone who is so critical and her standards of makeup are so high, when someone like that brings out makeup, you buy it because it's just sick, right? It's gonna be amazing because obviously she's reviewed and critiqued so many products. She knows exactly what she wants. So this is coming out August the 15th. It's gonna be £46. So it's basically exactly the same price as all the other Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes. So the box and everything is exactly like the packaging. It's not my favorite of all Anastasia packagings. I love like the velvet and the suede kind of materials, but to be honest, those are quite impractical because once they get dirty, then you're screwed. So pretty cool packaging from Jackie. Jackie. The great thing about this is obviously Anastasia Beverly Hills #1 has amazing quality always, but #2, Jackie said that in this palette, she's literally like catering to the deeper, darker skin tones. And you know what that means? It means that the color payoff should be like incredible. I'm excited about this palette, so let's have a look. Okay, cool. So the inside looks like every other Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, which I love. It comes with the little brush as well. And you know what? This isn't a cheapo brush, guys. No. This is a great brush. I'm so excited. Okay, so on first impressions, my favorite colors are Soleil, Zam, Wiggly's, Supreme, Pinka, Edges, Credit, Ginger, and Sponsored. Oh, and Dwellers and Lituation. Like literally, basically every color. It's my favorite color. So I think I'm gonna be using like the kind of orangey browns and brownie kind of colors, because I've seen a few reviews of this already and everyone's kind of going for the purple kind of lituation there. See what I did there? Lituation. So I think I want to go for something different. So I'm going to go for like the browns and stuff and do like a classic like Butte smoky eye. Nothing fancy. I literally just put concealer on my eyelids. Damn, these colors are so much stronger than you think. That's pretty serious, you know. Haven't put a lot of this color on. By the way, I'm sorry if my light kind of looks like it's going in and out. It's because I'm literally sat by a window. Loving ginger. So I'm going to go in with Edges now. Edges is a bit more orangey, as you can see, which I am not mad at. There is some fallout with this palette, and I think she said in one of her videos that there was a lot of fallout. Whoa. Yeah, this is my kind of palette, guys. You don't even know, right? So now I'm going to go in with Credit. I'm going to put that just in the corners. Whoo. These are so pigmented, guys. Like, look at that. It's almost like it's so pigmented. I have to change the whole way that I'm putting on these eyeshadows because I'm used to being so heavy-handed. Look at that. It's just like one little dab of the bloody hell. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That brown is so strong. You know, I'm so glad that she's doing these kind of colors because, you know, some people think, oh, you know, browns are done, it's boring, whatever. But I don't have a brown this strong. I don't own a brown this strong. Damn. Damn, 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 girl. She did not come to play. Like, oh yeah, that is a whole situation right there. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna prepare for my color Zam. Now I'm very excited for this color. I think this is gonna be my favorite color in the whole palette. I'm just gonna put my concealer in there. I don't think you're ready for what's about to happen, but I'm just gonna go for it. I'm just gonna go for it. Let's hope for the best. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is like a glitter in an eyeshadow. Literally just like, just lost for words. Zam. Zam indeed. Look at that colour. That is incredible. It's actually incredible. Is it getting hot in here or is it just me? This palette, I don't even know what to say. I've got no words right now, so I'm just gonna put my eyeliner on. I'm not gonna lie, there is a lot of fallout. Like, it's literally all over my clothes. So yeah, there's that. These are the House of Lashes in the style Stella Luxe. Okay, so I'm gonna go and finish the rest of my makeups, my foundation and everything, and then we're gonna come back and finish the bottom of my eyes and the review. Okay, so my face is feeling beat right now. I've got these beautiful eyeshadows on, and for my foundation, I actually mixed together the two Fenty Beauty foundations, which came out just freaking amazing, guys, as you can see. I really wanted to try these beautiful like pinky colors. I love that one. It says Supreme. It looks really, really great. So I'm gonna go in with Supreme. Oh gosh. August just came and everyone was like, I'm not coming to play this month. Honestly, like the foundations that have been dropping, the freaking eyeshadows that have been dropping, just everything that's been dropping in August. August seems to be the month of prosperity for sure, because mate, these brands have been prospering out here. I'm gonna go in with that kind of dark brown, but just in the corners. Oh, look at these eyeshadows. Guys, he's looking pretty epic right now. This was a quick fix, you know, and this is what her shadows have done. I'm not gonna lie, initially I was a bit scared because the coverage was so good. I'm used to having to put like 10,000 kind of dots of a color on for it to even pay off. And with this one, it was like instant. And so at first I had to kind of like adapt myself to it. I love these. I think these are amazing, even just for like a day-to-day situation. But then you've got those really bright purples and pinks, which are great for like holidays, going out. Like she's dropped it at the perfect time. The downside of this palette, I would say, is the fact that there is like so much payoff. Like when you're putting those glitters on, especially, they literally went everywhere. They went all over my face, all over my clothes. A lot of the Anastasia palettes, the rest of them, I've never really experienced payout with them before. So that is kind of annoying, but the colors themselves are just beautiful. And you know what, like I said, I love that she's gone back to basics with this. You know, she's not tried anything too fancy, like strong greens, limes. She's literally just like given us everything we ever needed, but with 10 times more pigment. So I feel like anything she puts her name to is truly amazing, and she's definitely going to be a force to reckon with if she ever thinks about coming out with her own brand. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Really hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one.